Broker Academy is an incredibly important event for us at CFC. At a stage when we're growing incredibly fast and we're building new products and hiring new underwriters the whole time, getting a big group of our partners across to London to spend a week with us to see behind the scenes at CFC about how we work and build some really deep relationships with our underwriting teams is absolutely invaluable.
It's a full immersion within the City of London, within the insurance space, and also within the carrier side of things.
This week at Broker Academy is a very awesome week. The energy was just transpired throughout the company and to myself. I learned so much from the cultural standpoint as well as working with CFC, the underwriters. Putting a name with a face is a huge value.
It's a wonderful company to work with, a great partnership. Definitely a company that I will be working with for the rest of my career and hope to build even better relationships.
I learned a lot about the CFC products, got some in-depth knowledge on what they do, how they do it, and how much they actually care about what they're doing.
The brokers have had an incredibly exciting week. They're really busy, they're very tired, which is a good thing, but I think they'll go back with a renewed understanding of how we do things at CFC, and I think our teams have got some really strong relationships to build on for the future.